I recently picked up a new MacBook Pro, a 15-inch Retina, and I was surprised there were no USB ports in that machine. So I'd heard of LaCie from Seagate, and I knew that it is a storage device which is going to be useful for this new machine. So I approached Seagate and they very kindly obliged and sent me this LaCie. So let's have a look what they have inside this. What I believe is that as against the normal 5 to 10 GB transfer speeds per second, LaCie is capable of a super fast 40 GB per second speed. I'm also told it's very sleek, and this is LaCie Mobile, by the way, and it is compatible with both the normal USB as well as the USB-C. So this is how this beautiful piece of storage looks like, and they supply these two cables alongside. One is a C transfer cable, the other one is the traditional USB cable. So from now on, my new machine's backups, the time machine backups, are going to be only on this device, LaCie from Seagate.